Hello fellow humans, Dave here from Nerdodiversity to show you a quick look at our website www.nerdodiversity.com. I just wanted to show you one special thing here. For starters, I wanted to show you Nerdo's holiday sale. Save 10% on all gifts for your favorite nerds, or even something for yourself. We won't tell. Use code HOLIDAY24 at the checkout. And I'll show you a quick look at some of our products here. We do still have some construction going on the website, so some pictures aren't all up there yet. But almost everything is. And as you can see, we have quite a selection. We have stickers, we have owlbear dice towers. Those are always a hot item. People love those things. And as you can see, we even have stuff like earrings. We have all kinds of stickers. So check it out. Come to www.nerdodiversity.com and check it out. Goodbye, fellow humans.